In the Long Wharf district of New Haven, Connecticut, there's the Pirelli building. Known for its brutalist design, it served as the manufacturing and offices for Armstrong Tire Company. The entire building's exterior was created from prefabricated concrete parts that were assembled on site, and it has a distinct missing floor look. The negative space was said to help alleviate the factory noises leaking from the tire factory up into the office spaces. The building was designed by Marcel Breuer, designer of the World Heritage Center, as well as locally the engineering building here at Yale. It's garnered some mixed reviews as a brutalist building. Residents in Connecticut voted it the ugliest building in the state in 2018. However, out of that ugliness, there's something beautiful brewing here. Around the time that Pirelli tires purchased Armstrong tires, they decided to go ahead and sell the building. It was able to get added to the state's historical register in 2000, but in 2003 it was purchased by IKEA, who decided they wanted to use a lot of the factory space on floors 1 and 2 for additional parking. The building remained relatively unoccupied after they did the initial partial demolition. It had a couple of patrons throughout the years, but in 2018 it was able to become added to the National Historical Register, and in 2019 was purchased by local Connecticut developers Becker & Becker with the goal of turning it into a net zero hotel. Thus was born the Hotel Marcel. Although the hotel is still under construction, they are welcoming guests already. The interior of the hotel maintains some of the beauty of the office spaces from the building before, and also maintains homages to Marcel himself. For instance, inside of each room, there is a Cheska chair, which was the chair designed by Marcel himself and named after his daughter Francesca. The hotel is the first in the US to achieve both LEED Platinum certification as well as Passive House certification, and those sustainability choices continue inside the hotel as well. Triple paned glass windows to make sure that you're not letting out any heat, very efficient AC. The entire building is able to be run off of solar. I believe they're going to be adding solar panels to the roof, and if you can see over there, there's already solar panels on top of the additional parking that they've built. Not only that, but you have responsible amenities too. The hotel is a Hilton hotel, and normally Hilton will give you 2 bottles of water. They gave me 2 cans of water. Ultimately, it's always nice to see history stick around and achieve new uses. So if you're in the New Haven, Connecticut area, I'd recommend you stop by.